Yes, good afternoon, children. All of you turn on your cameras. I want to see your faces. If you turn on your camera, I will start the class. K. Sunanda, Sarvesh, Sneha, Rajakonda Sneha. Okay. Malayala Aditya, Manikanta, Sriharsh, Advaita, Spurtika, yes, Sriharsh, Advaita, Manikanta, Advaita. All of you turn on your camera. Okay, children. Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear my voice? Okay, children. Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services School at your fingertips. Today we are going to discuss class 8 mathematics. Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss class 8 mathematics worksheet 6. Worksheet 6, task 2, chapter 7. The chapter name is frequency distribution tables and graphs. Frequency distribution tables and graphs. Okay. Aim of the topic is understanding about frequency distribution tables and graphs. And the agenda is introduction, basic measures of central tendency. Basic measures of central tendency. Okay. So in the part of basic measures of central tendency, arithmetic mean or average, median, mode, graphical representation of data. Okay, this is our agenda. So before entering into the topic, we all know that multiplication tables are very important, very useful in solving problems. Okay, so it is compulsory to learn tables perfectly. So in the part of learning tables, today's table. What is today's table? Sneha.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, Sneha. What is today's table?
Sir, 15 table.
15 table. Okay. Read 15 table. The other students, they will decide. Students, now Sneha is going to read 15 table. You all of you repeat the table. Okay, start Sneha.
15 1 is 15. 15 2 is 30. 15 3 is 45. 15 4 is 60. 15 6 is 75. 15 8 is 15 8 is
Yes, 15 8 is 120.
15 8 is 120. 15 9 is 135. 15 10 is 150.
Okay, very good, Sneha. Okay, children. Now coming to the topic. All of you open worksheet 6. Okay, children. So in previous class, we have discussed worksheet 6 task 1. Today, task 2. Okay, worksheet 6 task 2 today. In task 2, now we are going to discuss basic measures of central tendency. Okay, basic measures of central tendency. Okay, children. So, in part of worksheet 6 task 2. So, today we are going to discuss basic measures of central tendency. Okay. So, we have three basic measures of central tendency. They are arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Arithmetic mean, median, and mode. So, first of all, what is arithmetic mean? Okay. What is arithmetic mean? See, it is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. Arithmetic mean, arithmetic mean is also called mean. Okay, it is also called mean. And also it is called average. Three names you have to remember, children. Arithmetic mean, mean or average. Okay. So both are all are same one. Okay, children. Here a small network issue. That's why it has delayed. Now, can you hear my voice, children? Can you hear my voice? Okay. So, in the part of basic measures of central tendency, the first one is arithmetic mean. Okay. So, it is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. Okay. For a set of numbers, the mean is simply the average. That is sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Okay. Suppose the
Sir, you are in mute.
okay, children. Now, can you hear my voice? Right. So here, the mean or average sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Okay. So the ratio between sum of all observations by number of observations is called mean or arithmetic mean. Sum of all observations is divided by the number of observations. So the ratio between sum of all observations by number of observation is called arithmetic mean or mean. Okay. So here x1, x2, x3, x4, so on, xn are some observations. So its arithmetic mean. Its arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observations. X1, the observations are x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, so on, plus xn by number of observations. Here n observations are there. So by n. So x bar is equal to, no sir, unmuted. So x bar arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar. So here sum of all observations, it means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on xn by number of observations. Here n observations are there. So number of observations means n. So x bar is equal to arithmetic mean denoted by x bar. So here x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on, this shortly we write as sigma xi. Sigma xi. Sigma xi represents the sum of all xi where I takes the values from 1 to n. Okay. So xi is nothing but all the values, all the observations. This x1, x2, x3, x4, so on, xn observations are there, no? So these all observations we are taking as a single term, that is xi. Okay, xi, it is nothing but these all observations, x1, x2, x3, x4, so on. Okay, and sigma symbol we use for summation, for finding sums, It means when we do addition, in that case, we use sigma symbol. It means instead of writing every time x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus so on plus xn, sigma just we can write as just sigma xi. Okay, sigma xi by n as it is. So this is arithmetic mean formula by short representation. Okay, children. So see, children, in basic measures of central tendency, basic measures of central tendency. Basic measures of central tendency. Now we are going to discuss mean. Mean. Mean is also called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. And it is also called average. Okay. So three names you have to remember. This arithmetic mean denoted by x bar. Okay. So to find this mean, so what is arithmetic mean? See, children, mean it is denoted by x bar. The ratio between sum of all observations by number of observations. The ratio between sum of all observations by number of observations is called arithmetic mean or average. Okay. So here some observations x1, x2, x3, x4, so on. Suppose n observations are there. These are the observations. Okay. So how many observations are there? N observations are there. So this n observations by formula sum of all observations. It means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus so on plus xn by number of observations. How many are there? Number of observations, n observations are there, is equal to n. So this shortly we write as sigma, this x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, these are all observations we write as xi. These all observations we write as xi. And all observations are adding now. So this addition, for doing addition, we use this sigma symbol. This symbol name is sigma. Okay, sigma xi means the sum of all observations. Sigma xi means the sum of all observations by number of observations n. Okay, so this sigma xi by n is the short formula of the finding mean. Otherwise, you remember this sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay. So this is arithmetic mean formula, children. Now, here see some examples are given. Okay. Ashok got the following marks in different subjects in a unit test. Okay, Ashok have got the following marks in different subjects in a unit test. 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. what is arithmetic mean of his marks? Okay. So first of all, here write the observations. What are the observations? Observations are nothing but the given numbers. Okay, what are the numbers in the problem? They are, that numbers are called observations. So here the observations are 20, 11, 21, 25, 23, 14. These are all observations. Okay. So arithmetic mean formula x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Okay. So here sigma xi means the sum of all observations. The formula is sum of all observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Arithmetic mean formula is sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay. So here observations 20, 11, 21, 25, 23, 14 is given now. Okay, it is given. Sum means we have to addition. So when we add this all observations 20 plus 11 plus 21 plus 25 plus 23 plus 14 by number of observations. Number of observations. How many are there observations? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 observations are there. Okay. Sum of observations means we have to add the given observations. By number of observations means how many observations are given, that number. Here 6 observations are given total. Okay. So 6. So when we add this total, we get 114. We get 114 by 6. 114 by 6. 114 by 6 means when we simplify this, 6 1s are 6. Again 5 will be 6 9s are 54. It means we get 19. Okay. It means arithmetic mean of his mark. Arithmetic mean of his marks is 19. Okay, children. So this is the way of finding arithmetic mean by using formula. And so in the same way, you observe the remaining examples also, children. You can understand what is arithmetic mean. And coming to okay. So now we have discussed how to find the arithmetic mean by using formulas. Okay, arithmetic mean formula is sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay, and also we have one more method to find arithmetic mean by deviation method. Arithmetic mean by deviation method. Okay, it means why we should take deviation method to find arithmetic mean. It means, so whenever given a data, when a data is given, if the data is very large, so to make it simplification, to make it small, in this case we have to use deviation method. Okay, in this case we have to use deviation method. So to find the deviation method, how to make this deviation method, let us discuss here. Sriharsh, unmute.
Sir,
Can you rate this arithmetic mean by deviation method? Yes,
okay, sir. Arithmetic mean by deviation method. There are 5 observations in a data 7, 10, 15, 21, 27. When the teacher asked you to estimate the arithmetic mean of the data without actual calculation, 3 students, Kamal, Nilima, and Lekhya, estimated as follows.
Okay,
Kamal
just wait,
estimated.
just wait. Okay, say children. So here 5 observations are given. Okay, 5 observations are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 observations are given here. So when the teacher asked to estimate the arithmetic mean of the data without actual calculation. So generally, when we are finding the arithmetic mean, how we can find the arithmetic mean? By using formula, arithmetic mean formula, sum of all observations by number of observations. So when we apply this formula, we get arithmetic mean. So without calculation arithmetic mean, when a teacher is asked, then the 3 students are replied like this. So who are they? Kamal, Nilima, and Lekhya. Okay. Here see, Kamal estimated that it lies exactly between minimum and maximum value, that is 17. Okay. Kamal is estimated mean is 17. His estimated mean is 17. And he is saying that the mean always lies between minimum value and maximum value. Next, Nilima. Nilima estimated the mean. So without calculation, just they are estimating, guessing. Okay. So Kamal estimated arithmetic mean is 17. Nilima estimated that it is the middle value of the ordered or is it ascending or descending order, that is 15. So Nilima estimated the arithmetic mean of this data is 15. And the third student Lekhya estimated the mean. Lekhya added all observations and divided by their number. It means she applied the formula, arithmetic mean formula, sum of all observations by number of observations, and she found that her estimation, her arithmetic mean is 16. Okay, so 3 students, they estimated in 3 different ways. Okay, Kamal is estimated the mean always lies between minimum and maximum value. So he estimated 17. It means he is guessing the mean of this data is 17. And Nilima is guessing the mean is 15. And Lekhya is guessing the arithmetic mean of this data is 16. Okay. So here we call each of these estimations as estimated mean or assumed mean is represented with A. So without calculation, what we are assuming or what we are estimating, so that mean is called estimated mean or assumed mean. Okay. So here Kamal estimated the mean is 17. So this 17 is called estimated mean or assumed mean. Nilima estimated 15. Lekhya estimated 16. So this estimated value is called estimated mean or assumed mean. So this estimated mean or assumed mean is represented with capital A. Okay, every time remember that this estimated mean and assumed mean represented by capital A. Okay, now let us verify which of the estimations coincides with the actual mean. Now see here. The actual arithmetic mean is founded here. Okay. The observations are given 7, 10, 15, 21, 27. So arithmetic mean formula is sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay. So when we add the all observations, total we get 80. By number of observations, how many are there observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations are there. So 80 by 5. 80 by 5, when we simplify this, we get 16. So actual, the mean is 16 is the mean of arithmetic mean of the given data. So here consider Kamal's estimated arithmetic mean is A is equal to 17. Kamal's estimated the arithmetic mean is 17 now. Now each observation is written in terms of deviation from assumed mean A. Then we have, see here, it is written in the form of a table. What is first observation? The first observation is 7. So, and his estimated mean is 17. Okay. So, how we get 7 from this estimated mean? If you subtract 10, then the first observation we get 7. So, 17 minus 10 plus. Next observation 10 is there. 10 how we will get? 17 minus 7. Our from this estimated mean, by what number subtracting, that number we have to decide. So 7 will get subtracting 10 from 17. 10 how we will get? 17 minus 7. Our estimate means 17 now. And 15 how we will get? 17 minus 2. If we subtract 2 from this 17, we get 15. Plus, next observation, 21 is there. 21 how we will get? By adding 4 for this 17, we get 21. Next observation, 27 is there. 27 how we will get? By adding 10 for this 17, we get 27. Okay. So 7 will get by subtracting 10. Every time we have to do addition or subtraction with this 17. Okay. Now when we calculate this, see, when we simplify this, we got 16. Okay, we got 16. So by actual calculation, we got arithmetic mean 16. By estimating method also we have got 16. It means, so to find arithmetic mean by deviation method, so here we can apply the formula. Arithmetic mean is equal to estimated mean plus average of deviations. Average of deviations. Okay, children. The same way, we can verify the Neelima's observation and so Neelima considered estimated mean is 15. Same as this, when you find the mean from this estimated mean, here also we get same value 16. And when we come to Lekya estimated mean, she have taken 16 no? So when we take 16, she also have got same mean 16. Okay, children. So by doing this, we can understand arithmetic mean by deviation method will be simplified from actual calculation. Okay. So here try this. Your homework is try this. Prepare a table for estimated mean deviations of the above cases Observe the average of deviations with the difference of estimated mean and actual mean. What do you infer? Okay. So how in the table it is given, you prepare a data like this. Okay, you prepare a data like this. So this data, from this data you estimate a anything mean, and like this you simplify and you verify the arithmetic mean by actual calculation. Okay. Okay, children, now the time is up. However, tomorrow the schools are going to reopen. So if you have any doubts, I will explain tomorrow in the class. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you all. So today's your homework is complete this, try these problems. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Do you have any doubts in this?